Looks like a checker. Lots of work, but I think I can save it. All right, a yellow checker marathon. Collapsed pier boatyard, heavy rust, seized engine, rotten interior. This will be a full restoration. The interior is completely gone. I'll need to remove everything and start fresh. All right, time for the first wash. Organizing these body panels first. Time to get these pedals off. They've definitely seen better days. The thickness is correct here. Now to check the other side.
The panel has been measured, and now it's time to apply the resin to seal the repair.
All right, studs are on. Now for the pull.
The guide coat highlights the low spots. Now I'll block sand the entire surface. Time to get this gap just right. Precision is key here. The gap here is looking consistent at around 3 millimeters. looks solid and consistent, ready for the next step.
The base coat is complete, even coverage, with no sagging. The freshly painted body is now united with the chassis, marking the next phase of our restoration.
Time to upgrade this old fuse box to something more reliable.
Yep.
Wiring's all laid out, just need to secure the panel in place. Almost done with the interior vacuum. Need to check the dash and the door panels one more time. All right, dial it in. Looking good. Final torque, and we're done. The ignition timing is set. Let's take a final look at the finished product.
Okay, looks tight.
You would not believe how far this car has come.